Good morning, chat. Good morning, chat. Let's get the show on the road. We are actually in a trade as we speak, boys. I haven't looked for like 10 minutes, though. Oh, my God. And that's what happens in the 10 minutes that I don't look. Wow, where did this retracement come from? This from the 15-minute candlestick opening right now? Oh my God. Dude, what a fucking retracement. All right, that's actually good for the stream, though. It's going to give us a better opportunity to be able to actually catch something on live. Let me put some music on the background and I'm going to start off with this song. I think I'll use the restroom real quick, so I'm going to leave you guys with my screen open real quick. Oh my God, this 30 minutes fucking falling. Like, dude, what the fuck? It's crazy how I just got on and now volatility comes. I love it. As I'm about to home, I don't get it. Fair back.
Que lo que dan mil cuentos, mil promesas que enganchan. Yo sí, yo fui lo que te digo, people. El dinerito es el gobierno quien lo roba, chico. Habla tú, habla como si yo te fuera ajeno. Habla tú, habla política cochina, vemos pero porque tú esperas, si te espera, que se espera, verá. Así que fuera, fuera por la escena verdadera. Tíralo, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Se regó, se dominó. No tiene muerto, no. Acérego, tíralo, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Acérego, se dominó. El tiro no tiene muerto, no. Acérego. El invento es la vara transante que utilizan todos los cuenteros. Los que dicen verdad no son tantos. Dime cuántos y dónde los quiero. Dime cuándo les costó llegar. Y si son buenos, no es por nada, pero no dan ya nervios ni miedo. La mentira puede correr años. Tiene genios, eso no lo niego. Recordando los tiempos de antaño, solo puedo quitarme el sombrero. Lo que tengo es musicalidad. Viene de lejos. No es robado ni copiado, es más que ser heredado es otra edad. Tíralo, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Se regó, se dominó. El tiro no tiene muerto, no. Se regó, tíralo, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Se regó, se dominó. El tiro no tiene muerto, no. Te lo advertí más de una vez que yo no entro en el juego de pendencieros mentirosos y embusteros viejos. Para el que se atreve está poniendo en juego su pellejo. Tremendo bla bla bla, tremendo guaguancó, numerito. Recoge al viejo que su tiempo ya ha pasado, ahora camina de lado, embustero. A mi estilo te canto mi negro. Tíralo, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Se regó, se dominó. El tiro no tiene muerto, no. Se regó, tíralo, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Se regó, se dominó. El tiro no tiene muerto, no. Se regó, la mentira no pasa. Si no espera, desespera, así que ya te pasó una vez, tonto si no lo ves. La mentira no pasa. Si no espera, desespera, así que ya te pasó una vez, tonto si no lo ves.
Why does my... Yo, what the fuck? Dude, I got stopped out in a candlestick like that. Oh my God. Geez, we're not even on the correct screen here. All right, let me go to screen capture settings. You guys are watching the wrong screen, bruh. Insane that that shit melted like that. All right, I mean, most important thing we could do right now is just pay attention to our higher time frames and see what the bigger picture is telling us. Now, with the volume coming down this aggressively, there is a chance that we're still with bearish price action. What is that meaning? Now, this was our actual impulse to the downside, and all this is just a smaller correction phase. And then we're getting ready to just maybe come touch these lows again. Possibility, we'd have to hold this bearish momentum, which would be really insane. Hold and gain even more, because Jesus, those wick lows are still about 100 pips away, 90 to 100 pips away. So I mean, New York looks like it's bringing us a good board to trade right now, presenting us with something. You see some sells playing out. I mean, I agree, but not as we speak instantly right now. Like, I definitely want to hop into just sells as we speak. Yo, this thing's melting though, boys. Jesus Christ. Holy goddamn balls. Let's turn on the fan. I'm chilling right here, buddy. I'm chilling right here, buddy. You could go upstairs. I'll be right here, buddy. Ain't going anywhere. We're getting clapped right now as we speak, buddy. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Alright. Oh, my stomach hurts. Te lo digo, que al kilo no tiene huerto, no. All right, let's see what the board is presenting to us right now. We are damn, we're still 30 minutes away from New York Open and another hour away from New York Exchange Open. This London New York session crossover might come with a lot of volatility for us today, boys. I'm pretty excited. I think, and it might be in a very aggressive opinion, is that, dude, there's a strong chance that we could just catch bounces. I feel like right now this 8 SMA, right, I'm going to overline the 8 SMA, is engulfed, right? This candlestick disrespected it completely. I have a feeling that this might leave a wick right now and come all the way back up to this top. Back to the 8 SMA and respect it. I have a feeling that's going to happen right now. Oh my god, the wick is starting to get left. It's so fucking how I always hop on stream, I start calling out price left and right, take forever to fucking take the trade, and then just, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Alright, maybe I'm just being a little bit too impatient. I mean, just because we leave a wick rejection, like I said, I think that there's a chance that this 8 SMA that's getting engulfed right now, we just completely retrace and leave a wick up to this area right here. Just because we do that movement right there won't confirm me being bullish. There's a chance that we close at this 8 SMA and then the next candlestick comes and opens straight to the downside, starts wick filling with no top wick, right? It's a move that we typically see a lot of the time. It's just a double fake out. Fuck it, we'll be patient. We'll be patient right now. Jesus. I could have sworn we were in this clean, but I need to put that I lost the last trade. Damn it. Let me send it to the Discord. All right, send it to the Discord. How am I feeling today? Honestly, not too good. This is very confusing. I mean, I see perfectly how the lower time frames, I see perfectly how it's supposed to be bearish off the higher time frames. But then these lower time frames are just so tempting to just keep on riding this little bit of a bullish trend that we've had, just making clear higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, whatever, higher highs, higher lows. Just want to keep on playing that pattern out. This looks pretty selly though right now. If you guys are currently taking buys as we speak, I truthfully think that you only got like a 20 to 30% clip of hitting. 20-30% chance of hitting. Like this looks like it definitely needs to keep on coming down, and it's just off of the lower time frames because that, I'm not really even off the lower time frames, higher and lower. But this, even like I said, even if this candlestick right now comes all the way up to here, closes right here, we still have a huge wick to the downside that I think that we need a wick fill with the next candlestick that comes. I got stopped out. Yes, I did get stopped out. Aggressively stopped out. All right, so now we just barely had the candlestick closing. Let's see if we start getting the wick fill to the downside. For now, I'm going to start looking at gold. I'm not really going to touch GJ yet as we speak. Let's go look at gold and see what gold has done today. We have been bearish on gold. I've been bearish on gold since the beginning of the week, but now we see that we're finally starting to reach strong levels of support where we could start seeing bounces, and that's what we're getting right now, which is a bounce. I mean, it doesn't mean that we're bullish, it just really means that we could start seeing a little bit of bullish price action and then just keep on going to the downside. Hourly candlestick is trying to engulf this 8 SMA, which is acting as resistance. I have a feeling that we might start engulfing this and then come back down. I'm not really set on taking any gold buys right now. Why am I bearish on GJ? Bearish on GJ because, I mean, look at this. Look at the wicks that are getting left to the downside. This is an aggressive move, and look at this wick. How I told you. I literally called out perfectly. I said, hey guys, this wick is, I mean, this candlestick was all the way down here. I said, hey, I have a feeling it's going to reject. Yes, it might reject because we're at a level of support. And then after that, it closing right here, we're going to just wick fill to the downside. It's a typical move. I mean, look at all this liquidity that we're grabbing. We're not going to just, we can't just be like, oh, it went to the downside and we think it's going to go up. Let's just catch it at the bottom. That's not how it works. You can't really just do that. You got to actually pay attention to the previous candlesticks and see what they're telling you. And previous candlesticks are telling me that there's still more momentum to the downside left to go, as well as higher time frames. I mean, higher time frame wise, yes, this is higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This little bullish structure right here that you see me overlapping with my mouse. But we actually zoom out and we start seeing what's coming before that. I mean, before that, we had the huge impulse to the downside. Huge impulse to the downside. And with that impulse, we had a huge break of structure. This was support, and then boom, this is the break of structure. We broke it. Yes, we recovered the structure, but that just means that this is going to be a break and retest. I don't think that the close below really, I mean, you can't really get too specifics with stuff like that, bro. You really just can't. It's kind of like whenever we have a support and resistance, right? We're not going to take the sell. I'm not taking the sell right here just because we closed below this support, this support, this support, this support, this support. I don't give a fuck that we close below that support. One of my favorite setups to take that we do all the time on stream is when we have actually this break of structure, close beneath the range, and then we aim for it to go back into the range. Why? Because all that is a upside down head and shoulders. All that is a fake out, you know? So we actually anticipate market structures like that. I don't really get too specific with the, oh, it almost closed above, but it didn't close above, and the, oh, it's a wick, but like, no. For me, it's all about the movement in the candlesticks and the volatility that's being presented to it. What to do, AJ? You're in GU buys. Oh boy, you're finna get clapped. This is possibly as bearish you could possibly get. Now, there's a chance that you're gonna get lucky and catch a little bit of a fib long, but I think that that's what they're baiting us to do, and that fib long got already disrespected completely. Oh, GA. Well, regardless if GJ looks bearish and GU looks bearish, honestly, I don't even want to go check out GA. Wait, you're gonna tell me the Australian dollar? Oh wait, it's Australian dollar. Wait, there's a chance Gbpjpy AUD is bullish, actually. Eric, you are going to get clapped. Clapped. Big head and shoulders. Higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Yes, we might make a lower high right now, but I think the thing is, I'm always on stream, and every time I'm on stream, the same fucking names come and start telling the opposite trade. Like, if just because I'm in buys, people love taking the opposite trade. Why? Because it gives them a chance to be able to actually be right with something when I'm wrong. You know, like, they don't get no satisfaction from being right when I'm right. They want to be right when I'm wrong. So I'm gonna love whenever you guys tell me if you guys are in longs or in buys, for me to just go to your chart and tell you guys, look, it's fucking dog trash. You're finna get clapped. And And then that one I wasn't actually just being funny or exaggerated. I actually think that the GA trade is probably a little bit of dog trash. But it's fine. You know? I definitely would not take any buys on any pound pair right now. I'm actually getting ready. As this goes up aggressively, if this doesn't reach resistance right here, we're going to fucking snipe this back down. On live stream. Wick fill to the downside. Fuck. I have a pretty fucking strong feeling that you're completely on the wrong side of the market and that CPI is going to drop the fuck out of this chart. But that's the beauty in trading. We'll be able to find out real soon. Real soon. And that's coming from a guy who's usually very, 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 very bullish on GJ. I think that we're going to wick fill this to the downside. We're also closer to the 200 psychological level. Being closer to this 200 psychological level. Right here, this is 200. And then 100 pips above is 200.1. Alright, over here. We're closer to here than we are to here, magnet-wise. I really like the downside move. We're going to catch it on live stream. I don't even hear the music. Born damn body. Alright, so as we see, Forex Factory shows us at 8:30 right now. We're gonna have core retail sales month to month, basically having I got so confused. Alright, whatever. We're gonna have freaking red folder news right now in 20 minutes, 22 minutes. We definitely don't want to be in a trade before the news comes. It really just comes down to being a waiting game right now. If you do want to hop into a trade before the news comes, that means that you want the volatility of before the news, but when the news hits, you definitely want to be closing out of your trade. Man, this wick fill to the downside, I'm not going to get tired of saying that this looks really clean. If I was impulsive gambler like most of the traders out there, I would fucking take it to the downside. But I'm not an impulsive gambler. Actually, I'm an impulsive gambler, not an impulsive trader. There's a difference. Whenever I want to gamble, I go gamble on sports. I go gamble on poker and casino, not on the charts. I take the gamble out of me before I get to the charts. I'm so upset. All right, ones in the chat if you guys are going to be bullish on GJ. If you guys are bullish on GJ overall, twos in the chat if you guys are bearish on GJ overall. Do we have more buyers in the chat or more sellers in the chat up to the moment? GBP AUD, buy bias, daily bullish, weekly bullish, 4 hour bullish, 4 hour strong, area of support. I'm already in sells. Dailies bullish, weeklies bullish, and 4 hours bullish. Is that true? Is that true? 4 hour? 4 hour is definitely not bullish. We'll look at the daily though. Daily? The daily's definitely not bullish either. Bearish, 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 bearish. Before that, we're coming out. This is the impulse. This is break of structure. This is a range. This is not bullish. I mean, fuck it. I'll give it like fucking 60% more bullish, 40% bearish. What about the 4 hour? 4 hour bullish. According to Eric, this 4 hour right here is bullish. I would goddamn love to know where the bullish 4 hour is here. Yo, this guy's on whatever this guy's smoking this morning. I'd love I'd love to have 4 hour is close to being, Jesus Christ, I don't know what we're looking at. The structure is technically bullish. Brother of mine, there's in denialness that goes on in trading, and I see it. How is this structure bearish? How is this structure bullish? Within the last, this is June 24th. We're in June 18th. This is a whole month of bearish price action on the 4 hour. All right, let's go look at the previous 4 hour. Let's go look at yesterday's session. Bearish, retracement, bearish. We're beneath the SMAs. This has reached an ultimate level. How are we at a strong level of support like you just said? You said we're on a strong level of support. But you're saying the 4 hour is bullish. No. I'll give you the weekly on GJ does look bullish. But no, you guys are not going to tell me that GBP AUD, this right here, 4 hour candlestick chart looks bullish. Absolutely no chance. Just as much as you guys like calling me out, I will call out you guys. This is go back to school. Support level, resistance level. Do you guys know what market structure we are having right here, boys? Do you guys see the market structure that we're having right here? What is this called? What market structure is this called right here? Who could say it? We traded this all the time. We've caught this hella times live on stream. What type of trade is this? What is this right here? A ripple fib, brother. Ripple fib. Same area being held of support or of resistance, and then smaller, and then it reach. This is accumulating right here to the downside. This is gonna boom. It's already doing it as we speak. So it's a ripple fib. Yes. Look at this 1 hour candlestick chart. So apparently this is also bullish. All right, I'll stop being mean. That's the beauty in trading, though. We're all looking at the same thing, but we're all looking at the same chart, but see different things. It's like walking the same paths, but got different views. I see gold going on a little. I mean, gold. Look, gold is bearish for sure, right? I'm just kidding. I mean, I don't even know about for sure. No. There is different ways of reading the trend, Eric, but I am telling you, I think you give GBP AUD to any fucking, I don't know who the hell would tell you GBP AUD actually looks bullish. Besides, I mean, it could look bullish from all the way back here, but this is goddamn May. This is April, May, June. I mean, this is last month. I mean, last month we looked a little bit. Daily candlestick chart. We haven't been bullish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, we're in a range. This daily candlestick chart on GJ, obviously, I'm not gonna fucking tell you it looks bearish. This shit looks fucking as bullish as balls. Oh my god, GU is dying. I see myself back in some sort, like at one point in my trading career, taking these buys. At one point in my trading career, I would take these buys. Now, back then, in that point in my trading career, I definitely was losing a lot of money. All right, 15 minutes away from news hitting. And I mean, I'm not liking, all right, so we have two, obviously there's only two options, up or down, easily said. But notice that we're getting a huge volume push to the downside before news hits. So now there's two options. We're being pushed to the downside. News is going to hit. That means we're going to go down even more aggressively, and then boom, recover it all back up to the top, right? That's one option. Second option is we're gaining momentum down to the downside. We kind of stop the momentum a little bit. News is going to come, wick us up a little bit, maybe wick us down first, but then it's just going to go boom, and then just keep on shitting the bed. Ponte mi panty donde hay. You see GJ selling off? I mean, I've been telling you guys I see GJ selling off. Oh, after I got clapped in my buys. Not funny. Yeah, we honestly have to wait for the next we have to wait for news to hit though. We're not going to take a trade before news hits. So boys, we got 9 minutes left till news hits. Red folder news. Let's fucking go. Some volatility, some action caught live on stream. I love it. Industrial production month to month. Anybody watch the NBA finals yesterday, or we got a whole bunch of people that don't watch the NBA here? I don't think you guys want to know how much money I lost with the Dallas Mavericks this whole NBA finals. We're all soccer fans here. Yes, sir. Look at that movement to the downside, brothers. Ooh-wee. I told you guys, if I was an impulsive gambler, we would have been in this trade. But when I'm not an impulsive gambler, I'm actually a very statistical, very analytical trader. So therefore, we're going to be patient here. Let the freaking noobs catch the dirt, and we're going to go for the gold. God forbid anybody's in goddamn any pound pair longs right now. So this is an example of, remember somebody asked me, what was it that you did in your trading career that you started like taking the switch and actually becoming profitable? Okay, look. Right now, price is falling to the downside. I mean, the way we trade, that we've been, the way that I've been teaching you guys how to trade. Yes, I know that a lot of people are saying, hey, imagine we fucking take buys right now, news comes, and it completely just makes price fly, turn around, and then, all right, yeah, we become rich. Yeah, let's take this trade. Why? Because it's worth, look, so just because you have the capability of hitting a trade doesn't mean you should be taking it. And it's going to be hard for you guys to wrap your head around that. But just because I know I have a chance, just like I knew I had a chance of taking the sell, I'm not going to take it. Just like I know that there's a chance that yeah, we could take a buy, let the news come and fly. I'm not going to take it. That's a retarded trade. Excuse my language. But so it's even if the trade hits, so in this situation specifically, even if this long hits, it's a ridiculous trade to take. And it does bad you making money off that trade. Why? Because the next time that price is falling like a hot knife, next time price is very bearish and everything's telling you to take a sell, you're gonna randomly be like, oh, but this is a perfect buy opportunity right here. And statistically wise, yeah, this maybe has like a fucking 40% chance of hitting, maybe a 30% chance of hitting. Maybe those are odds that you're good with. When you want to become a profitable trader, you start leaving bullshit like that on the table. You don't give a fuck about crap like that. You're looking for shit that you really know price is moving. You know, not you feel. Fuck how you feel, brother. If you feel that if you feel like you know where the charts are fucking going, who gives a fuck? We got goddamn 5-year-olds nowadays who feel like they're goddamn men, feel like they're women, and feel like they can feel. Fuck your feelings. You know. So I started sacrificing those types of setups to actually pay attention and actually, you know, constantly just be able to rinse and repeat setups and not switch styles too much and just get lucky. Or else you just get lucky and then you're just trying to get lucky the whole time. I like crazy, stupid, goofless, roofless. Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, there's gonna be a you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones. Ooh, 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 ooh. If I took you home, it'd be a home run. Show me how you do. I wanna touch the cloud. Oh my god. Ooh, it's gonna be back to you. All right, 6 minutes till news hits. 6 minutes till New York session hits. 6 minutes till volatility comes. 6 minutes till we find out what price wants to do, boys. All right, one's in the chat if you guys believe that Gbpjpy, if the pound pairs are going to be bullish after news. Two's in the chat if you guys think it's going to be bearish after news. What does the chat think right now? What are you guys aiming for? 30 people here watching. I doubt that everybody has liked up the stream. If you guys are here watching, make sure you guys like up the stream. Helps the algorithm. It helps the channel grow. Show me how you do. I wanna touch on the clouds. Alright, I'm ready. Yes, USD effects. I just like dropped water on me. Alright. So wake me up when it's all over. Truthfully, the only thing that tells me GJ could fly is the 4 hour. Everything but the 4 hour. I mean, obviously daily, weekly, whatever. The 4 hour is giving me buy vibes. Everything else, and 4 hour isn't even giving me the biggest. What was the chart? No, daily is giving me the buy vibes. 4 hour looks fucking horrible. The daily candlestick chart on GJ is the only thing holding me out of fucking taking a sell right now. All right. 2 minutes left. That'll be fucking hilarious if no volatility comes right now when the fucking news hits. We're just here waiting for nothing. Possibility still, so. Go mad for a couple grams. Badass, we already know that your ass is bullish. We already know it, brother. And then a bite will fly to 50. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't even. Just the way that this looks here, very few times I've actually seen this candlestick just respect it perfectly and go. Like, I think this needs to get disrespected a little bit more. Oh my god, this wick to the downside is making me want to catch it to the downside. Oh my god. Should we trade the fucking news? Am I allowed to trade news on FTMO phase 2? I got 2 phase 2s I'm trying to pass right now. I feel like I should know the answer to that question. It's before Alright, boys, we're going to take the trade after news. We're not going to just impulsively hop in a trade, but I'm telling you, we're going to take around a 30 pip stop loss. I want you guys, if you guys are going to take a 1% trade with me, make sure you guys know that it's going to be a 30 pip stop loss. We're not going to take it right off the bat, just like fucking, but just in case like this thing comes and stops, I'm telling you guys, hey, get ready. We're going to take it. We're going to take it. We're going to take it. I'm going to give you guys like 5 to 10 seconds and then we're going to take it. So slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. New 30-minute. Oh my god, this thing's gonna die, dude. Oh! Oh! Sheesh! Oh! Nah, it's not gone anywhere yet. Not gone anywhere yet. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. GU is gone with the win. So what does that mean? The DXY is flying. So what? Slick. DXY is bullish as balls, as you said earlier, right? I think GJ is coming down. I don't buy that. I don't buy this movement. I don't buy the movement at all. DXY broke to the downside? What is that? What do you mean DXY broke to the downside? How the fuck is DXY breaking to the downside in gold and GU is flying? What the fuck is happening? Like, why am I on the wrong? Like, show me all my fucking. There you go. What? How does that even make sense right now? That's why I don't like trading confluences like that. I used to trade a lot of confluences. I don't really trade confluences anymore. I just focus on the fucking chart that's in front of me. Like, I'll tell you this, Eric, if you're still here, if if GA is bullish, I think that shit would have at least had a little bit of a wick to the top side, like GU, because everything, this thing, I don't even know why I'm not calling out sells right now as we speak. Wait, that's GU right there. Where's GJ? Where's my GJ on the chart? Ah, fuck me. Well, fuck it. We'll focus on GJ, man. And all I know that I said that GJ is gonna go down. I wasn't gonna take it though. Now I'm in the mood to fucking take the wick fill. This wick needs to get filled to the downside. Yo, Badas, did I break your new speakers or you didn't get the new speakers yet? Yo, why don't I just notice my fucking camera's like fucking falling type shit. You guys see like my whole body and shit. Yeah, I'm like, and not my head. I need to fix this. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. All right, there you go. On spot with GG to the downside, muchacho. Yes, sir. I just got schooled by my dad for your screaming. Hey, tell him I don't even know what that means. Downside move is happening. What about GU? GU, told you I wasn't going to buy that wick. Even though that wick, I love wick fills. You guys know I love the wick fills. So maybe GU is going to go up. Why is GU going up if DXY is going down? I'm not understanding what is happening here. But, man, like I said, boys, I mean, you got to start sacrificing the juicy setups that have high risk reward ratios for high probability setups, 101s, stuff like that. That's what's going to make you a profitable trader. So yeah, going for that crazy ass long, thinking that GJ is just going to bounce and fly, that was ridiculous. I'm glad that I really held everybody off on it, and I talked shit about it enough to probably hold enough people off on it. Maybe I spoke Eric out of this GA trade. Maybe I did a good service today. And so you asked me, Duncan, then what are we gonna do? Are we taking buys at support? No, we're not taking buys as support. Relax. We're waiting for more action. But that's so boring. We've been on stream and you haven't taken a trade. That's how you guys sound. Well, I'm sick, so it's a little bit harder to do the. Wow. Fucking GJ. You guys got to be proud of me, boys. I thought that I was going to start. I mean, lately, when you guys see me, Mr. Bullish Lifestyle, Mr. I have a spreadsheet with over goddamn 100 trades and only goddamn maybe like 5 of them are sells. Mr. GJ is going to be bullish. I've been saying it for the last 3 years. I've been fucking teaching. Mr. GJ is going to be bullish. Just take buys. Your whole fucking trading career during London session is going to keep on being bullish, which I've said it many times, is speaking. Mr. GJ buys is telling you that GJ does not look like a buy. What in the goddamn hell makes you think that I would want to say that GJ doesn't look like a buy, even when we go to the higher time frames and it looks like perfect buys? So if we're going to the higher time frames, I told you, yeah, higher time frame daily looks like a buy. Weekly looks like a buy. But if I'm going to the smaller time frames, and I'm telling you, boys, the buys look dumb. You guys should double think fucking taking the buy. It's that simple. It's that fucking simple. Bro, smoking crack. I'm smoking on Gbpjpy. I love it. I love the silence in the chat. The silence in the chat's the best, because whenever I was calling buys out, that's when you got the most people answering. I mean, whenever I was calling sells out, that's when you got a lot of people going like, oh no, dude, it's buy. You got to look at the higher time frame. You got to look at the market structure. You got to look at this. You got to look at that. You got to look at this. Duncan, you don't know what you're doing. I already passed my challenge. I'm already up for the week. And then when the fucking chart goes the opposite way, we hear nothing. Absolutely nothing. Dead chat. Remember when I told you guys there was this psychological level right here at 200? The other psychological level basically 201, 100 pips away. When we were over here, I was like, hey, we're closer to the downside than we are to over here. You know, very simple way of looking at the markets. I make trading look as simple as possible. Not in this goddamn cell. Jesus Christ. Break this camera in two. Psychology and science on human mind and its functionalities. Look at that. That boy said he's still holding GJ cells from 500. What a beast. How's Manisha? I blocked that hoe. It's a guy. I know that that person typing is a guy. I've gone back and forth with Manisha for over 5 months. I think 5 months ago, they asked me to pass a challenge and they were like fucking fighting me over a price or some shit. And I ignored them for fucking months. Pass a whole bunch. Yo, this thing's dying. Oh my God, it's hurting me right now. It's hurting me. 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 Yeah, I literally blocked that person. Supposedly. Whoa, look at gold. Holy fuck. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Damn, dude. I'll be a maniac to take a buy. That person doesn't like you, Paras. I don't know why. I think you've gotten into like arguments with them on stream, or they've just seen you on stream and they don't like you. Because they were like, I don't know what they fucking said. I forgot exactly what it was, but they were like, yo, fuck that kid Paras. He doesn't fucking this and this and that. They're like, they said, fuck that kid Paras. When we're doing business, it's you and me. Fuck that kid Paras, or like some shit like that. Around those lines. Nothing like directed at you, like, oh, that kid is this, that kid is that. But he was just like, yo, fuck that kid. I was like, what the fuck? Yo! Yo! I wish I could just rewind. I'm gonna rewind this whole stream. I'm gonna watch it back to how I was like, hey, we're gonna wick fill to the downside. We're going to the downside. We're wick filling to the downside. We're going to the downside. Wick filling to the downside. I mean, I wasn't gonna take the trade with news, so actually, I'm not gonna be mad at myself. All right, I'm gonna scream again. You got 5 seconds. Yo! This thing's dead! You did that all London session to just melt? So, the reason I had to hop on now is because my wife just barely started her new job as a dental assistant, dental hygienist, whatever the fuck. I don't really know what the fuck. Yeah, business owner, racist, loses, not. Wait, what? All right. Dude, I think Siru is Manisha. I think Siru is the person I blocked on Instagram. If I'm not mistaken. But I don't mind. I don't mind not blocking them here. I just don't want to have to answer to them consistently. I think it is them. Oh, that's so funny. Paras, that's the. I'm pretty sure that that's the person that was been texting me on Instagram. I'm almost 100% sure. Actually, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty damn close to sure, because I remember yesterday they were saying something on YouTube, and I mean, I don't even. It's so many people, so I don't. It's funny how you're like, you don't even know what happened, and she's like, dude, I am the or he. I don't fucking know who. All I know that there's a guy that has a girl account trying to act like a girl. Oh, it's not him? No, not him. I don't even know then. You see, maybe there's too many people. Yo, look at gold. Wow. Wow, gold. GU stopped its little bullish push. Whoever caught the GU push, that was very lucky. All right, so bottom of this wick is about 20 pips away. Man, please retrace a little bit more. If it retraces a little bit more, I'll take a sell to the downside aiming for this low. Come on, GJ, go a little bit more bullish. Go a little bit more bullish. If it goes bullish enough, we take the sell and we target these lows. I want these lows to aim for like 25 pips. So I want, I'm right here. We're like not enough pips away. We're 18 pips away. I'm not going to take a less than 18 pips away. Like fucking 15 pips away. I want to take a 25 pip stop loss, a 1-to-1. So I'd love for price to at least reach right here. And then we start thinking about what ourselves. Come on, go up, go up, go up, GJ. Go up, GJ. I see the wickets leaving to the downside. I feel like that wick needs to get filled. Anybody in the chat get clapped on any GJ buys? Was anybody in some GJ buys? It's okay. I just want to know. Just got to be honest. Look, remember that dude Eric who was saying that Gbpjpy was bullish? I'm telling you, people just love coming in and just saying the opposite of what I'm calling out on the charts. It gives them their 5 minutes of glory. Very, very, very common pattern that we trade. Ripple fib. Ripple fibs are whenever we're holding. So when you see it to the top side, you're typically going to see a resistance being held and ascending levels of support being formed. Right? That is right there a ripple fib. Same resistance level holding, but ascending levels of support. We trade this all the time in our stream. We've made so much money off this type of this setup right here. Sometimes you get a strong break of structure, and then price turns around and decides to do it. But that's the different routes that could happen there. So I said, yes, there's a chance that we come back. There's a chance that we come back, break this structure right here, come back to this area, and then come down. But that just means this is a bigger head and shoulders. Look at the big head and shoulders that's on the board. But no, people need to have their moments of glory and start telling the trader how to trade. All right, I'll stop dogging on people. Not ready to go for buys yet. I know that there is a 50 SMA right here that people are like, oh, we keep on going. I think it needs to get disrespected a little bit. Very, very aggressive range right now. Wow. Start looking at SPX and US 30. How about that? Boo, Dumani is in a sell. Dumani, you're still in a sell. That is beast. Beast, beast, beast. I think that, man, realistically, it's that whole type of trade. Because we've been ranging all London session, so I think that this is like a beast. This is like where price is going to get ready to just keep on moving. Now, what GJ buy swing looks amazing. Buy swing means like a 50 pip stop loss, 60 pip stop loss. A swing on GJ looks great. Something like that, I'll take that. But nobody wants to nobody takes, which I don't know why they don't, but nobody takes 50 pip stop losses here. But I think a 50 pip stop loss is just barely on the correct like stop loss size for GJ long. So boys, if you guys want to get off the stream, you guys don't want to, you guys want to get off the charts, you guys need a final trade, you guys can't figure out what to get yourselves in, swing a GJ long. I'm telling you how easy it is to actually be like, all right, how much is $1,000 and 50 pips? All right, you calculate it. You're like, all right, it's only a 0.8 lot. Doesn't hurt you. Take the fucking thing. Forget about your goddamn phone. Throw that bitch into the water. Delete the fucking app. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow when you're all the way back at your fucking 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. You're all the way up here and you're like, wow, that was maybe fucking easy. Maybe I should go and not get the bundle. Maybe I should go set and forget. Set and forget. I was gonna say maybe I should go get in the bundle. Not the bundle. Go and set and forget. You want your stop losses beneath the 50 SMA, not right under it. A lot of times price comes and disrespects the SMA and trades beneath it to then just zap and then go. So give space beneath this 50 SMA. I like something like that. You guys want to practice set and forget? That's a set and forget trade right there. Hell yeah, Aldo. That's the name of that's my last name right there. Oh my god, gold. GU. What's typical of me is whenever I get on stream and I just start calling out where the fuck the charts are going, I don't fucking get to catch it. All right, so for tonight's and tomorrow's session, this is what I'm actually going to be looking out for. Upside down head and shoulders. I do feel like we could break these lows and come a little bit lower. Nonetheless, at one point, if there's news that makes us bullish, that news is really going to aggressively push us to, breaking these highs. The second we break these highs, we know that there's clear action to keep on going through. So all this is the range that we want to catch right here. Once we break these highs, we understand perfectly that we're going to reach these ones over here. Jesus, look at gold. Even though I think gold is going to wick fill to the top side, I think all the pairs are going to continue going right now this session. So if the session news pushed us up, and then, yeah, whatever a retracer of the session news pushes down, or whatever retrace, I think that wherever initially the news pushed us is where it's going to continue moving right now during this New York session that's presented ahead of us. So don't try to catch the fake out turnaround. Just go with the continuation of whatever you see momentum moving at. Continuation of momentum, boys. That's what the name of the game is right now. All right, boys, I'm gonna let you guys go because I have some stuff to do. I'm not gonna catch another trade on stream. I don't see any trades to actually catch. I'm not gonna get clapped twice. I actually thought I was gonna fucking hop on to being able to win GJ longs, but that's the way the charts work. Sometimes it just completely turns around on you. We missed out on the sells on the stream. Boys, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys during Asian session because we didn't do London session. We did New York, and we're gonna do Asian, and then we're also gonna do London. But I'm gonna see you guys for Asian session. Asian session is gonna be the same thing as this stream that we just barely did right here. It's gonna be more of a scope out the market, see if we actually have any smart entries, and if not, We just chill and just wait for London session. Boys, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the like. Follow on Instagram. Vaya con Dios, amigo. Muchas gracias, brother. Cuídense todos. Muchas gracias. Thank you, boys. Much love to everybody. See you guys for London session. Peace. My stomach hurts so much. Peace.